Good morning everyone. We
Nihal, Shubham, Vedant,
and myself Ranveer from class 11th Mahatma Junior College, New Panvel have made an obstacle avoiding car for the science exhibition based on the topic transport and communication. The word robotics itself says that automations. Automations was the thing on which we were more concerned and focused on. Automation eventually leads to a comfortness, and the world is in search of comfort. So this is a self-driving car which is based on the principle of Arduino chips and an ultrasonic sensor which detects any object in its path. I'll let you see the materials and the components, and I'll let my team members present the working of this model. These are the components used to make this car. This is an ultrasonic sensor, and this is the Arduino chip connected to it. This is a motor driver connected to these yellow colored motors. This can be understood more clearly by watching the actual working of this model. This is a car running on its path, and it comes in contact with an obstacle on its way, and you can see these tires moving in backward direction while these tires are moving in the forward direction. This is basically the concept of couple. They are creating a couple in the path, and which will eventually lead to a change in its direction. You can see there is no obstacle in its way now. The tires are moving in their own path. The obstacle comes, the tires again change their paths. So the main concept behind this was to reduce the car crashes and to ensure a obstacle-free motion of any object without using any manual guidance or any manual power. So I'll be ending this presentation by saying thank you to all of you.